Hey, how'd you get up there? What are you doing there, Charlie? Did you get out? I'm just kidding. No. No, Mom, let him out.
Yes, I let him out. It's just exercise.
Yeah, don't worry. Well, we'll leave then. Well, he's gotta get out of that cage. Yeah, once in a while. So hey guys, it's almost 3 o'clock. I just had waffles and I don't know what it is. I just been having waffles a lot more often now. And like, something creepy is in that radio. Yeah, I guess that Charlie likes that. He's near right, Charlie.
You got clean up celery? You want celery? Not quite yet.
Silly bird. You can make you cute.
Oh, there you go. Good bird. What a nice trip you had. Oh, now he's gonna have his celery.
Yeah. Good old celery. It's green. Just like your feathers, birdie. I mean, it's green. Oop. Oh, now he's out. Oh, he's sort of getting out again. Oh, not anymore. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, celery is green, just like your feathers and the back of your mirror, Charlie.
Get on my hand real soon.
Yes, Charlie, you are one interesting bird. Very interesting bird. Pecker loves his carrots. Even Charlie loves his carrots, but he's certainly a timid but tame bird. I'll get it.
Alright, I want to be very careful not to let him out.
Okay. Stay right there, Charlie. Hey, good, Charlie. Oh. The last time he started flying, he flew like right past me and just landed right there. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God. Huh. And now he's back. He's back at his usual place. You silly bird. You're like the silliest little bird we've had, even though we've only had like one so far. Well, you're not the second bird. Yeah, Charlie. Charlie. Oh. You're a pretty birdie. Honestly, why are you there? That's no place for a home or... Alright, well, yeah, it's not just the bird cage. That's your home. This whole house is your home. So, I understand. Still in that spot. It's just a funny bird. It is almost 5 o'clock. Well, 17 more minutes until it's 5 o'clock. And even though I woke up late and all that and have gotten out a little later than I wanted, but today's already a great day because when I checked my YouTube channel, guess what I found? All on my 143rd vlog. All on the vlog where you see my head getting shaved. That is wonderful. That's great. Just, oh, if all of you have watched my 143rd vlog, thank you. Just Thank you. Would you look at that sky? Isn't that just a lovely view? Or lovely sky? I guess there's a little bit of it behind. Can't tell, but where's that bus? I feel like today basically is a repeat of yesterday. And yes, I did go to Valley Fair and I had Panda Express. Only had a little less food and I had water and all that. Right now I'm gonna be waiting around Valco for the bus and yeah, if I have to wait around for a while, I'm either gonna wait around there for a while and finally do my Hobbit review, or I'll just walk around and burn off some calories in the store and maybe run into some friends, but as I always say, we'll see. Alright, I was sitting over at the bus stop that's like at Valco, and well, the bus passed by and the bus driver didn't see me at all. So screw it, I'm walking home. Something very funny happened like about 30 seconds ago. There was a car driving by on the other side, and some guy just stuck his head out and said, "I got a large penis." I wish I had the camera out, but it was totally unexpected. That just made my night.
Who bring like that. You can actually buy routes and drive them yourself.
Like Cody.
So my somebody I work with is buying a route for himself for $50,000, and then he's paying other people to actually do the work. He gets a solid chunk of the income and he pays them a bit, so he doesn't have to do anything and he'll just get paid.
Leave it.
Yeah, I've got. There's some days where they have me go back to the like our warehouse and do like cleanup stuff.
Leave it.
And when I'm back there, I talk to the.
Can I get that?
I've talked to some of the truck drivers and they've all tried to like.
Leave it.
I tell them I have a class and they give me all these tips on like driving dogs. I don't have the heart to tell them I'm not really interested.
Well, come on, just drop $50,000 and you can have other people
If I have $50,000 to drop,
Good dog.
Good boy, Cody. Good boy, Cody.
Thank you for being a reminder.
I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Like it if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my other vlogs. Be sure to check out my friend Kevin on his gaming channel and his vlog channel. Links are in the description below. You guys are great. Take care. Stay tuned for more vlogs. And I will see you guys later. Bye.